verdict in their title suit will not be announced tomorrow. A split Supreme Court bench deferred it after hearing a petition. The police sought deferment to allow out-of-court settlement in this matter. A notice has been shot to all parties, and the next hearing is scheduled for the 28th of September. Atish Srivastav gives us a full account of what happened in the court today.
The Supreme Court has directed that the judgment to be delivered by the High Court in the afternoon tomorrow shall not be delivered in the meanwhile. It has kept the matter for the 28th of September, which is next week.
The wait isn't over for the verdict on the contentious Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid title suit dispute. The Apex Court stayed the judgment due to be pronounced by the Allahabad High Court on Friday by a few more days. The court also issued notices to the contesting parties on the petition filed by retired bureaucrat Ramesh Chand Tripathi seeking deferment of the verdict. But the decision to defer was not unanimous in the two-judge bench. Justice H.L. Gokhale observed,
"Even if there is 1% chance of reconciliation, it should be given. Consequences for ordinary people, but not for the petitioners. If there are consequences, people will blame the Supreme Court."
Justice R.V. Ravindran, who was heading the bench, however, was of the view that the petition should be dismissed. But he went ahead with Justice Gokhale, saying,
when one of the judges has a difference of opinion, then the tradition is to issue notice.
And we will try that the order, we are able to persuade the Supreme Court to vacate the order. हमें कोई उम्मीद नहीं नजर आती कि सुलह को आउट ऑफ कोर्ट पॉसिबल हो सके, क्योंकि 19 साल से हम देख रहे हैं.
New history has been created, and we will certainly look into the matter. But one thing is certain, that we will not be ready for any compromise. No court can compel any party to enter into compromise.
The division within the bench clearly echoes the sentiments across the country. One section wants the judgment to be delivered, whereas other believes that talks are the only solution. Now we'll get to know on 28th whether the hope given out by Supreme Court has had any effect on the aggrieved parties. With Karthikeya Sharma in Lucknow, Atish Srivastav in Delhi for Headlines Today.